Hey guys, it's me Mabani Kolusile. I'll be taking you through to GBP USD with the quote analysis that have been presented to us for the past weeks, and then this is the quote analysis that we have been having. I will be starting from the quote analysis from the week of 22nd of June, and then straight to this day that we are having. And then the last quote analysis reports that was sent to us, it was presented on Friday, and then I will take you through. And then since on the 22nd of June, the British pound sterling, they have been closing their longs, and then they have been building more shorts. And then as you can see that the longs on net positions were dropping from the 32nd, from the week of 15th, and then if you look into the 22nd, we were dropping the net positions on the green structure was turning to what I can say consistency, like the market is not moving or is consolidating. As you can see, the shorts were growing from the 22nd, and then to the 13th of July we're having big shorts, and then the longs were dropping from the 51k to 44. And then if we look into the euro dollar, as you can see, euro dollar has been growing, has been bullish since forever now. And then if we have to update from the 13th, that we had the 44k, and then the longs are dropping even on the 20th July and also the 22nd of July. As you can see that the net position are starting to grow on a bearish movement, and then also the dollar index is growing, and then they are closing the shorts and they are building more longs. As you can see, the net positions is still growing. And then going to the 3rd of August, that's previous week, as you can see that they started to grow with the longs, and then they dropped the bearish. And then on the dollar index, it was still the same. The longs were not bigger, but the net positions, as you can see, they're still growing. And then on the week of 10th, which is last week Friday, as we can see that the longs are starting to build up, and also the bearish are starting to drop. But look at the net positions, guys. It's important to look into the net positions. We are still in consolidation, but if we go to dollar index, we find that the dollar index, the longs are building more, and also the short positions are also growing. And keep in mind that the net positions are still bullish. And then if we go to our chart, starting from the 22nd of July, we said that they were building more shorts, but the market kept on rising, and then that's why we see the market starting to drop in that way. Remember that when you see the dollar index being bullish, it forces the British pound sterling to drop, because they move in the same direction with euro USD. So definitely I'm bearish on this pair, guys. Let me just if I can I can have this. Taking on this one, I just want to paste this so that we could look into what I was talking about. As the court analysis were released from the week of 22nd July, which is this week, the longs were higher and the shorts. Let me adjust this so that we could have a clear explanation on what we're talking about. The visibility, this one, okay, it's better this way. 22nd July, the long started to grow, because as you can see, they're starting from here we are, 22nd June, and then they were starting from 51, and then they started to drop. As you can see, 44, 41, 44, then they went back to 750, and then here we are, the 22nd of June. Here we are, the 22nd of June. Let me take, for instance, the 13th of July. Here we are, the 13th of July, which is next to the flip zone. The longs were from 44, then the shorts were from 36, and then they added more shorts to the market. That's why we had this movement before the next court analysis release that were released on the 20th of July. And then where is the 20th of July? Here we are. Here's the 20th of July. And then the court analysis were released, and then as we can see from the 13th, the long started to drop. Let's see, to 10th of August. Here we are. And then if we look into the 10th of July of August, we are having more longs that have been added, and then the shorts has been dropped, and then that's why we see those kind of movement on Friday with the market giving us that bullish movement. And then I'm still bearish because we still having a consolidation around this point, and then based on the dollar index that is bullish, I'm still looking into a bearish GBP in the USD. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is the target that I'm looking for on this pair, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one.